If you need to break the cable tray and create a color by take off cable tray without any cross in here, then you just use the command break. Select the object, the cable tray that you like to break, and watch out when you move the mouse. When it's in a node, you select. You will that work.
For the other one, you need to trim because it's beyond the point.
Yeah, if it's beyond the point, then you trim. You select the battery, and then there you go. You have two scenarios. Okay? Good luck. Can you try it out, please?